Hello everyone, I just want to show the newest mirror covers that we did. Those mirror covers are covered with high quality carbon fiber with clear coat and UV protection. I'm gonna show you how shiny it is when you have a light on them. They're fully handmade and very beautiful. You can see the pattern. It's 2 carbon fiber. We use only original parts for the cars, so they are full replacement mirror covers. You can see the original number here, manufactured by BMW, as well on the other cover as well. So the fitment will be same as original. This is for BMW Z4 and Toyota Supra. As you can see, everything is perfectly made by hand on the side as well. It's amazing. I'm going to provide the link below in the description for our eBay store. Thank you for watching.